Hello everyone, I'm going over test 1, question 32. A small piece of plastic has a mass of 62 decigram. Convert the unit to nanogram. First, we write the definitions, which is decigram is equal to 10 to the minus 1 gram. Nanogram is equal to 10 to the minus 9 gram. Then we change the definitions into conversion factors, and we multiply them to what we're given. So 62 decigram times 10 to the minus 1 gram divided by decigram times nanogram divided by 10 to the minus 9 gram. Decigram and gram will cancel, and we are left with 62 times 10 to the minus 1 times nanogram divided by 10 to the minus 9. We change 10 to the minus 9 10 to the positive 9 because 1 over 10 to the minus 9 is equivalent to 10 to the positive 9. We made use of the quotient rule here. So 1 over 10 to the minus 9 is 10 to the positive 9. So now we have 62 times 10 to the minus 1 times 10 to the positive 9 nanogram, and we multiply the exponential factors together by combining the base and the exponents. So the base is 10, and the exponents are minus 1 and 9. So minus 1 plus 9 gives us plus 8. And now we have 62 times 10 to the positive 8 nanograms. We change the scientific notation by bouncing the decimal point one place to the left. So 62 becomes 6.2, and we add 1 to the exponent. When we add 1 to 8, we get 9. So at the end, the answer should be 6.2 times 10 to the positive 9 nanograms. Thank you.